We're in the messy outdoors of the workshop. I have some Scotty Makes Stuff 4th Axis Stabilisers for the DJI Pocket. One thing I notice is that when the Pocket 2 is in the stabiliser, it has a tendency to wobble side to side, even just slightly when you're walking, and especially if you have the handle attached to something. And my solution to this is to hold the camera using one of these clips near the center, so that it doesn't wobble side to side at the top. It will swing around its center of gravity and give you a more stable image. Okay, let's get cutting. So now we can fit this guy onto here. Need to drill a hole. It's not the easiest to work with. And now we need to widen it to fit a 1/4 inch bolt. From the world of eBay, I've got these bolts, specific ones 11.5mm diameter on the head. That's the highest you can have. I need to remove this first. Right, here's the final result. We'll try it out later.